Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate Elementor pages. So let's get straight into it. So before we start, let me go to the page we're going to be duplicating. So we want to duplicate this page and create something else with this page. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is install a plugin. So go to plugins, click on add new. So we're going to install essential add-on. Click on enter. So there's the plugin we're going to be installing, essential add-ons for Elementor by WP developer. Click on install now. So activate. So once you're done with the installation, go to pages. So we want to duplicate the about us page, right? So you just over on the about us page, you see this EA duplicator here. So click on it. So once you click on EA duplicator, it's going to create a new page, which is the about us page, but a draft. So this is the draft you're going to edit to create our own page. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. So let's say I want to call this service page, or let's say mission and vision, right? Mission and vision. I'll enter the new page title. You can leave the permalink, but just to be a bit careful, because once you click on publish, it's going to update the permalink automatically. So just to be safe, let's just change the permalink. Click on yes, okay. So once you're done, click on publish. So once it's done, you say page published, click on edit with Elementor. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, so as you can see, we have our new page. So if you're over on your taskbar or your menu bar for your browser, you see the mission and vision. So you can change this. Let's change this to mission and vision. Sorry, there's one S. So okay, let me just reduce the size so it makes sense. So I can change anything here. I can change the picture. So yeah, change the picture. So change this to our values. So once you're done, you can just update. So now this is a mission and vision page. So click on preview changes. So you can see now we can see the new page. And if you go to our about page, which is who we are page, we'll still see the old page there. So that's basically how to duplicate Elementor pages, an Elementor page. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more videos like this, kindly subscribe. Thanks for watching.